Come test drive the 2020 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, anti-lock braking system, rear step bumper, fog lights. Inside you'll find rear view camera, backup camera, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.